Orbs Kingdom Channel.
Have you ever wondered what the outside of the universe looks like? What if you were really thrown out of the universe? With the popularity of large space telescopes and the development of apparent quantum mechanics about this issue, humans still deduce the following four scenes.
Although these hypotheses cannot be proven, but beyond the universe, that's very likely to be the case. The first, no boundary hypothesis. That is, our three-dimensional universe. It could be a higher dimension, or the surface of a four-dimensional hypersphere. If you are located on this sphere, moving in one direction, theoretically, it will circle back to the origin, but it cannot perceive the space inside or outside the ball. It's a little bit more intuitive. It's like an ant on the surface of a balloon. No matter how far he climbs, he will never get out of the spherical surface. Can't find the border. For the hypersphere itself, he doesn't have internal disasters in the traditional sense. But for humans in a three-dimensional world, not only can you see him, you can see what's inside and out of him. It's a little bit more intuitive. It's also like astronauts in space. You can see the Earth as a whole, and you on Earth. But you can't see the reason why the Earth looks the same. The second civilization program hypothesis. Speaking of relatively three-dimensional humans, we can see the ants inside and outside the balloon. So that is to say, compared to higher dimensional civilizations,
Our universe. Most likely a simulated program. That is to say, it's like the computer games we play. Everything within the cosmic setting is virtual. Humans are the NPCs in this virtual scenario. For civilizations that can exist in this high-altitude space, watch us, just like humans, as clear as looking at the ants on the balloon. This strongly implies everything about this simulation program, the environment, rules and roles are false proposed code, fully controlled by external programs and developers and humans. But it cannot be confirmed whether we are in a large, designed to simulate, the third multiverse hypothesis. This is the most imaginative scenario. Simple understanding. In an unknown vast space, there are countless small universes that exist independently. Through the theoretical understanding of scholars, such as Hawking, this space is called the parent universe, and these independent universes, more like bubbles floating in the mother universe. It's like being in a wok or a kettle. Boiling water will come one after another. There are so many bubbles, and each of these bubbles, all stemmed from a separate bombing, has a unique vacuum state. Some bubbles keep expanding, some collapse and disappear. Like our current universe, it's a success. It explodes and cools down. The lucky bubble that breeds life. This means that each independent universe have different laws of physics, the fourth infinite void hypothesis. Since the universe is expanding, explain that there is still room for accommodation outside. Beyond our observable universe, it is not another space. It's pure, absolute nothingness. There is no spatial dimension. There is no up, down, left, right, front, and rear. No time passes, no past, no present, no future, matter-free energy. There are no particle yards, no laws of physics. Even the most basic rules that describe existence or change will fail. The expansion of the universe is not taking up almost all of outer space. It's about space itself, in the context of nothing, creation and extension. Imagine an infinite extension, total darkness, dead ocean, our universe, like suddenly appearing in this ocean, and expanding. Transparent bubbles. It contains light, matter, complex physical laws. But for the dark ocean beyond the canon, but nothing. So don't think the above assumptions are impossible. If you are in it, there are infinite possibilities for what looks like outside. The universe.